Hi, this is Created and Made, and we're going to be reviewing this butter slime kit. So, this comes with 7 slimes, and let's look at one of them. So, we've already opened this. I know how it's like. This already has some beads in it. I'm not sure if you can see, but there are already some beads in this one. It's pretty stretchy. It's pretty fun to play with and see. But it kind of gets not stretchy when you don't play with it for a while, like the other one that I opened. This is really not stretchy. But not fun to play with because one time it was stretched too much and now it's really bad. It also comes with charms that you can put in the slime. See, this is this charm, and they go with the theme of it. This is like a cookie. And let me unbox another one to see those ones. Also, this one's open. This one's really stretchy. It hasn't been used very much. Well, I think it's very stretchy. Yeah. Okay, let me open one. I'll open this pink one. Nice bubble on the top. Should pop it. It's so satisfying. Okay, I think I need to stretch it a little bit. Get warmed up. It feels really good. It smells so good too. It smells really good. I really like the smell. These are all scented. So, yeah, it seems pretty good. I can put a charm in it. Has this pink cookie. I can play with the charm. So the beads I was talking about, there's this package of white beads, and they have like black, like they have black like glitter, I guess. And the other beads, well, there are these foam beads that are in the pink one. I'm not sure, but they're like these sprinkles. Those are these foam beads, and they're pretty fun to play with. So, let's put this all back. And some other charms. All the other slimes. And yeah, and we'll just put the pink one back, and these little foam things and glitter, and yeah, that's the whole butter slime kit. It's pretty good, except you should not stretch it out too much, and like use it enough so it stays good. You can also put like water and soap in it. That helps. You know, I haven't used this that much, so I haven't really done that yet. So, that's the butter slime kit. Bye!